Alright guys, here we are. We're on the Elk River and we're gonna go canoe fishing. And this is a lot neater than it was just a minute ago. It's be me, Travis, my brother, my two little nieces, my little nephew. We're gonna fish and canoe for a little while and kayak for part of the day, and then we're gonna put up and camp, and then start again tomorrow and finish out probably around 12. So try to get a few videos. Maybe we'll get some fish in the boat. There's some trout in here, some smallmouth. All right, there we go. Fun has begun. Oh my goodness, y'all. And it is fast paced. Here we go. Well, we're not doing too great. Brandon's caught 2 little ones. Travis hadn't got a bite yet. I've had 2 little bitty ones on. And we're just cruising along. We're about 3 miles in it now, and maybe here soon it'll break. It's just the middle of the day, it's hot. I think they just chilling out. Alright, so I got hung up in a tree. I don't know if you can see that. Man, it came out of that tree like a rocket and just hit me in the arm. And it also hit me in the back. Ow. Alright, got me one finally. A pretty little smallmouth. We're trout fishing, but I'll take what I can get at this point. Alright, buddy, we're gonna put you in the water. That's what you do. Boom! It's Travis. He's up to his chest, trying to catch the elusive rainbow trout. Come on, man, I got you on camera. Catch something. All right, let's taking his evening swim. Got this little camp set up. Got my nieces and nephew. I'm gonna start a fire here in a little bit. Y'all having fun? Not really? Y'all having fun?
Oh yeah, we're doing great.
I got Brandon's butt in the video.
Wow.
He's been over a hot stove. It's been a good day. I've caught 1 little smallmouth. Brandon's caught, how many did you catch?
3.
3 trout, rainbows?
Yeah, 3 rainbow trout.
Something's smoking. Is that what I go through?
Alright guys, we got him a trout on. Let's see if we can't get it in.
Let's drag him over to the bank.
Trying to get out of his way. He's trying to land this fish.
I don't know, maybe a smallmouth. Yeah, it's a smallmouth. It's a good smallmouth though.
Oh yeah.
Is it a smallmouth? That's a good smallmouth. What is that? I don't know. Smallmouth. Is it?
Is it a mean mouth or something?
What in the world is that?
Is that just like a really fat smallmouth?
I don't know. Hey Brandon, where you at? Brandon. She going down the river fishing.
No, he said he's coming.
That is the weirdest looking smallmouth. That ain't no smallmouth. I don't know what that is. It's got red eyes. Is that a red-eyed bass? Surely not. If that is a monster.
Finally caught me one.
Hold on, I might need a flashlight. Yep. I guess what those are. Cool. All right, here we go. Sunday, we got about 4 hours left. Big wheel. Cleaned up camp after an excruciating night of sleeping on the ground.
Where's his bag?
Oh. Who will catch a trout and smallmouth today? You gonna catch anything?
I'm gonna try.
I'll show y'all what I'm fishing with here in a minute, but Rapala, teeny tiny micro crawfish. It's a nice bright sunshiny day. Good thing about fishing in shallow water, you ain't gotta worry about getting hung too bad, because you can just walk over and get it. My goal is to catch at least one fish while videoing. It's not happening. Oh, I got him. I got him. What is it? Is it a trout? Is it a smallmouth? Please don't come off.
He's got him a fish.
It's a trout. It's a trout. It's a trout.
Oh, dude.
Alright guys, we have went about a half mile downriver and found another little place to stop. I swapped over to a rooster tail. Go see if that makes any difference. Kind of twisted up down here. Same about not using a swivel. Your line gets twisted a whole lot more using these. Man, dude, I hate that I missed it. I was trying to catch up. I had something decent on.
Ooh.
Good old rainbow right there, baby. You proud of that?
I am.
Numero uno.
First ever.
Whew. Hey. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, there he is. I got him that time. Oh, he's running some drag too, buddy. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Don't come off. Do not come off. Please don't come off. You see him? Don't come off.
All right.
All right.
That's a good one too.
So I was not filming. Caught another good little fat red-eye bass. Man, them things are fun. I'm just glad to take a break from freaking paddling for a minute. Man, that was rough. Oh, 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 don't do it. Good save. Got that on camera.